Optimize your channel, YouTube automation tutorial, part 5. Even primetime television can't compete with today's YouTube channels to attract viewers' attention. Yet television has a 60-year advantage. Moreover, according to analytics, YouTube mobile viewers are twice as likely to focus on an in-app video as a typical TV watcher. Almost 70% of YouTube users use the platform to research potential purchases. How then do marketers utilize video to aid in advancing these prospects through the buying process? The ideal place to start is YouTube channel optimization for the company. In-app users and visitors from standard search engines may both find your business channel on YouTube, thanks to YouTube optimization. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, therefore improving your video presence will improve your SERP ranks. We've determined the best methods for channel optimization, so you may use videos to drive as much traffic as possible. So watch the video till the end, and if you enjoy such content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell icon to never miss another upload of ours. Here we begin. YouTube SEO ranking factors. Starting with the fact that YouTube is owned by Google, you can bet your last dollar that the platform values high-quality video and organizes its material using powerful machine learning algorithms. Since YouTube has its native search bar, several ranking variables are fundamentally different from those used by Google. There are top-ranking search engine signals for YouTube: how long a person views your video material or watches time, video length. Longer videos tend to be of higher quality. Longer videos often rank better since they meet user intent and are more relevant to the topic. Several subscribers. Search engines give more weight to YouTube channels' authority signals when there are more subscribers. Sharing, commenting, liking, subscribing, and connecting are examples of user involvement. These ranking elements should be the main emphasis of YouTube optimization, as they are more likely to improve your search visibility and grant the amount of SERP dominance you desire. Here's how to do that specifically. If you work in the video production industry, you must have an appropriately optimized YouTube channel to ensure that your videos aren't all for nothing. But how can you apply improvements to your channel? And what precisely does a YouTube channel that has been optimized look like? Many channels rely on factors like a catchy YouTube channel name or a chance hilarious cat video to attract viewers. But it takes more. The good news is, once you have completed all of the preliminary work for your channel, you can relax and watch it develop. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions. For Google searches, video titles are crucial. The name you gave your YouTube video is cool and hilarious, but search engines don't care about that. It is words. On-page metadata functions in the same way on YouTube and your website. Of course, properly placed keywords in the head of titles are quite effective, but you might also want to consider using a keyword in the name of your channel. You should use a keyword in your title to improve your Google ranking. For example, even if you create a high-quality video, it could not receive the number of views you desire if your title isn't keyword-rich. However, be careful to optimize your titles for phrases that naturally fit a title and clearly describe what your audience is about to see. Consider using more precise long-tail keyword terms for a specific video. For example, an improved keyword phrase optimizing for digital marketing might be digital marketing for small enterprises. Include compelling language in titles and the year in the description. When it comes to CRO, many issues with video optimization that marketers encounter have to do with putting too much focus on the visual and not enough on the written word. Yes, you want your videos to succeed since you're making them. Text, however, is an equally potent element in this equation. Innovative language in your video title will increase click-through rates since compelling language boosts conversion rates. The same applies to the description of your video. Be succinct and leave room for others when you only have a restricted amount of characters to deal with. Each word should further the video's main objective. The year should be included in your title and description to increase CTR. Dates demonstrate whether or not your material has been updated to reflect shifting viewer intent. Try the definitive guide to converting every blog post into a high-traffic machine, or how to turn every blog post into a high-traffic machine as an alternative to the phrase, how to transform every blog post into a high-traffic machine. Update your channel trailer. Channel trailers are referred to as the red carpet you put out to encourage people to subscribe by the YouTube Creator Academy, the authoritative source for YouTube Pro advice directly from the corporation. you should undoubtedly optimize for the number of subscribers, as you may recall from our list of ranking variables up top. These trailers are a visual introduction to your channel and an About Us page. The material in your channel trailer, however, is only available to non-subscribers, so you don't need to design or edit it to meet the demands of current subscribers. Instead, you need to convince the doubters, the uneducated, and the non-believers. Channel trailers normally last 30 to 60 seconds, and you should follow these rules. First, introduce yourself as though no one has ever heard of you. Make your pitch brief and forceful. Within the initial few seconds, you must grab the audience's attention. Publish long videos. The duration of a video is the most significant ranking element. Watch time, also known as audience retention, indicates that visitors regard your films as valuable enough to stay on the page. Producing lengthy films with smart content distribution across the whole video is the greatest method to keep viewers engaged. Videos that are longer than 10 minutes frequently have much greater viewing times than those that are too brief or don't cover a subject in depth enough to hold viewers' attention. For example, YouTube videos on the first page typically last 14 minutes and 50 seconds. Say your keyword in your video. The most recent algorithmic updates to Google's search engines now consider a more diverse range of content categories. Videos, pictures, and transcriptions may now be crawled as a result. So technically, whatever you say in a video, especially one with subtitles and annotations, can affect your ranking signals. As always, don't overdo it. We can do some creative things to make it look more attractive. Add hyperlinked citations for key moments, create impactful thumbnails, and include related tags and hashtags. Focus on the first 15 seconds of the video to maximize watch time. Like the YouTube Creator Academy advises channel trailers to get to the point fast, Brian Dean of Black Linko claims the first 15 seconds of your video are the best time to optimize. Why? Because viewers will evaluate whether your film is authentic in the first 15 seconds. Once you have their support, your film will inevitably receive more views, boosting your ranking signals. Dean uses the preview-proof preview strategy for YouTube SEO, which immediately grabs readers' attention. In the preview, make it clear what the purpose of your film is and how watching it will benefit the audience. For instance, here's what you will learn in this video. Proof: explain how your pitch has demonstrated effectiveness and support it with examples, stories, and statistics. For instance, our customers have used this strategy several times and swear by it. Prediction: expand upon your first prediction, but be more precise. Use examples and present fresh facts visitors haven't seen or heard before. Use video cards and end screens for added context and SEO value. YouTube stopped allowing in-video annotations in May 2017. Because they enabled publishers to provide more cues for viewers via text, banners, or pictures integrated into videos. These features performed admirably on desktop platforms. Annotations were no longer useful on small displays in a mobile-first environment, especially on non-mobile responsive websites. So bring on the end screens and video cards. According to YouTube's product managers, cards and screens attract 7 times as many clicks as annotations, and their creation takes just as long. Keep it organized with playlists. Playlists have been proven to increase viewing time. YouTube automatically switches users to the following video in a playlist as one ends, effectively shifting their focus from video to video. You may demonstrate complex ideas without being limited to a single video's duration limit by connecting videos to create a longer, more thorough playlist. Playlists help divide the video project's file size into smaller individual videos, which speeds up uploading. They categorize your material into themes so visitors can easily locate and view information focused on a specific idea or goal. Linking comparable, pertinent videos to a single playlist also improves SEO and offers your channel a neater appearance. You may reorder the playlist to rank them in significance and make your channel appear more structured. Embrace live YouTube videos. Never be hesitant to experiment with new media that can resonate with your target audience and expand the number of subscribers to your YouTube channel. For instance, live videos are now quite common on social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hold seminars using YouTube's live video capability, display fresh items, hold Q&A sessions with internal specialists and influential people in the business. Host YouTube competitions. Take inspiration from rival businesses or explore outside of your own. Even if they appear a little out of the ordinary, look for fresh techniques to advertise your YouTube channel. Let us know your views in the comments below.